Hi y'all, this is Larry from Deep South Texas. Today, we're going to dig up a sweet potato. So I have sweet potatoes planted in these two 3-foot by 8-foot raised beds. And they've certainly climbed all the way out of the raised beds. And some of them have climbed 15 to 20 feet away. So these potatoes in this first bed here were planted about 130 days ago. So it's time to see how they're doing. About a month ago, I did dig one up, and it had sweet potatoes, but they were really small. So it's been another month. We're going to check them again and see how they're doing. If they're doing good, we may harvest the first ones that I planted in this bed. So they're all about 130 days old. Okay, so here we go. Let's find one here. Right here. This looks like a good place to try. All right. We have some pretty nice sweet potatoes here. I'm going to go get something to cut them off the vines. All right, I'm back. Let's see. There's a nice one. Another one. Couple small ones here. So that's a lot nicer than what I saw a month ago. And that one was pretty nice. So let's see if we got another one we can try here. So a couple more really nice sweet potatoes. They're awful round. I wasn't expecting them to be round like this, but they are. So it looks like only those two big ones on that vine, but that looks like a real nice size. I think I'm going to take those in the house and weigh them up. Well, there they are. That is the sweet potato yield from 2 plants. I'm going to wash them off and weigh them up. I don't know if you're supposed to wash them when you first get them out or not, but I'm going to do that for these. Okay, let's weigh these up. So I have the scale zeroed out. Let's weigh the big one first. And hang on here. That weighs 1 pound, 2 ounces. And here is another big one. That is about 14 ounces. So let's get them all on here. So that is 5 pounds, 0.2 ounces. So 5 pounds of sweet potatoes from 2 plants. I'm pretty happy about that. We got about 15 more plants to go, although these would have been the farthest along. So we'll probably wait a little bit longer before we harvest the rest of the sweet potatoes. But they look pretty good, you know. No real damage on the outside. They look like good sweet potatoes. I couldn't be happier. Sweet potatoes are a success. Well, those are some pretty nice sweet potatoes. I'm somewhat surprised they're so round instead of oblong, which is what I would have expected. So I know you've been waiting a long time to see this sweet potato harvest. So this is 2 plants. We've got a bunch more to dig up. We'll probably wait another few weeks before we dig up the rest because they weren't all planted at the same time. I grew some slips. When the slips were grown, I planted those, and I let some more slips grow and then planted those. And for a third time, I let slips grow and planted those. So they're spread out over a while. But I have lots of warm weather left down here, so plenty of time. But I couldn't be happier with the sweet potatoes. So hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. I'd appreciate it if you'd leave a comment. I'd also appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.